Hey there, I'm Luka, and you're watching my first year on T. So, this is my first video. Instead of posting 2 videos, I'm going to mix in my intro with this week's topic. So, hi, my name is Luka, I'm 18, and today, actually the day I'm filming this, which is March 5th, I am 2 months on testosterone. I use he, him pronouns, but they, them is also fine if you're more comfortable using they, them pronouns. I don't have a preference. I'm really into fitness and photography and film, and I actually have a personal channel you can check out if you feel so inclined. All of my links will be in the description. So I live in Washington State, which is actually a pretty great state. Most people think Seattle when you say Washington State. I actually live on the opposite side. I live on the eastern side of Washington in a town called Spokane, and it's not the best, but it's definitely not the worst. There are some LGBTQ plus communities around here. I'm not really a huge part of them. I know a lot of the colleges have pride centers and stuff like that, and Eastern Washington University has a pride center, and they actually hosted Aiden Dowling, and he came and gave a speech, and I got to meet him. It was really awesome and really appreciated it. So their Pride Center is mostly just for the college students, I believe, but their events are open to other people sometimes too. Another thing that kind of happens locally is there's this place called Need a Burrito, and every Wednesday night at 6 p.m. they host a broken mic. So if you're into rap or poetry or any kind of spoken word, you can go and just sign up and perform, and it's completely free, and you have 3 minutes to perform however many pieces you want. For some odd reason, there's a huge, large LGBTQ plus community there, and I know a lot of trans and non-binary people that actually go to that. I used to go every week, however, lately the poems have just been a lot about depression, and I found that it kind of triggers mine, so I've been avoiding it, and I've been feeling a lot better, which kind of sucks because I do love being a part of it. I feel like a lot of people just only focus on the negative sides of being trans or being gay or in the community, and at the moment I just need more positivity. I spoke to my therapist recently, and she informed me that there's actually a doctor here that's working on opening a trans clinic. So it'll probably be 3 to 5 years before it's actually opening and functional, but it's super awesome that we're actually going to have those resources for people here who need them, because there aren't a lot of them. As far as trans health goes, I think Washington's a pretty good state, especially if you're in the Seattle side. There's a lot of surgeons over there that are willing to do a lot of gender reaffirming surgeries. However, in Spokane, I don't think there's anyone here that does, because it's largely religious around here. Not to say that you can't be trans or non-binary and religious, but in this area, it's mostly Catholic and Christian, and it's the type that they don't want to have anything to do with the LGBT community. Unfortunately, we don't have any surgeons around here that I know of that would do a top surgery or bottom surgery or anything like that. You have to go over to, I think Tacoma's the closest place that does any kind of gender reaffirming surgeries. As far as hormones go, hormones are a little bit easier to get on. If you're over 18, it's really not that hard at all, but if you're under 18, it's definitely a little more difficult, but they do have options here. I personally went to an informed consent doctor. It's not a clinic, I wouldn't say, but it's one doctor, and he does informed consent, and my friend actually recommended me to him, and instead of waiting, actually March 6th was supposed to be my consult with the main endocrinologist in town, and that's tomorrow for a consult to get on testosterone, and today I'm 2 months on testosterone, so I'm so grateful for my friend to recommend this informed consent doctor to me, because without him I wouldn't be on testosterone yet. And I wouldn't be able to partake in this channel, so I'm pretty happy that that happened. As far as getting hormones go, it's not too difficult. So Washington's actually been a pretty awesome state, and even in Spokane, with as conservative as the people are here, we do have access to medical treatment. The wait lists just take quite a long time sometimes. So yeah, that's a little bit about me, and I'm glad to be a part of this channel, and I will see you next week. If nobody's reminded you lately, you're worthy and you deserve good. Have a great day. Bye.